The Namawell C2 is finally here. I'm so excited to unbox this and share this with you all and see what it's all about. My Namawell C2 delivery. Excited to show you what it is. I knew the Namawell C2 was a juicer and blender. I didn't know what to expect, so this is my honest reaction when I saw it. The C2 is a power blender and cold press juicer with one base. We make a lot of protein shakes, sauces, and soup. We're excited to try this out. Blender jug here, chamber set here, manual, second box. Ooh, okay. Container set here, strainers. Whoa, this is heavy. This could be the motor base. Knew it was a blender. I just didn't know how to picture it in my head. I'm just not strong. Whoa, okay. Oh, this is nice. Love the sleek look of this. This is for the sorbet smoothie strainer. Guide. It's super easy. Got the juicer chamber set with this. Brush. Ooh, this is a nice blender. Dang, this is nice. Came with a quick start guide and recipe book. We're super excited for this, especially my husband.